Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Reports. Let me show you our newest products, the standing display freezers and the model number DL600s. And as you can see, we can take a look at the overall sizes for the units. It's about like a 40 inches in the length and 26.5 inches in the depth. And the overall size will be 78 inches. As you can see, the units come with the two glass doors, and we can see they have a switches right here, the power switch right here, and the controllers using the standard 110 plugs right here. And also they having the display, the ETL sanitation stickers right here. And let's take a look at the inner side. As you can see, they're having the LED lights inside, all 4 LED lights, and the 2 on tops. And let's take a measurement for the inner side. The units will be 52.5 inches in the tall inner side and 22 inches in the depth. And 36.5 inches in the width. And let's take a look at the tree sizes. It's about like a 19 inches in the depth and 28 inches in the width for each layers. This one only about like 11 inches deep for each layers. And also the door is shoved closed. You can see here. Thank you so much for watching the videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us.